Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey, it's me, Kiara, Keke. Okay, so I just start saying my name, alright? But yeah, so we did this look today. We did have some issues. You will see that. Okay, but I managed to pull it together and we turned out real cute, alright? And I am getting back to my glitter looks. I don't know why I haven't did a glitter look in forever, but I did one the other day. And I was like, I miss glitter. I don't know why I've been slacking on my glitter. We're about to get back to it, okay? So we're about to get non-stop glitter looks, so just be prepared, alright? But yes, this turned out really cute and it's real spring and summer-like. Because I'm so over this winter. Like, I want to put my sandals on. Okay, that's all I want to do. That's all. But anyways, besides that point, okay, about to get into this look. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment and share, turn notification bell. And follow my social media too. A lot goes on there, especially on my Instagram, my Facebook too. I go live sometimes, you know. So you'll see my YouTube. You can see a lot of tutorial, right? Yes. Okay. So makeupbykeaira, and then Facebook, Keke Watson. Yes, all that. Go follow all those. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna go back into this Crayon Case, the matte palette, and the first color we're gonna take is that peach right there. I was going to do something else, but I already saw that was gonna be a mess. I scratched that idea. Okay. So this palette is pigmented, but it's a lot of going back and forth really to build it up to get to the color you want to, which is fine, but I feel like I'm doing it a little bit too much. Especially just for one color. Okay, and next we're gonna go into this orange. Okay, this orange seems pigmented. Alright. I know I love orange and yellow. Okay, okay. That's cute. Okay, and I did use the browns in this palette. I didn't do a tutorial on it, but I posted a picture on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should. Make it by Kiara. Okay, because sometimes I don't feel like filming, but I will do my makeup and post the look. So go follow me on there. Alright. Okay. And I collab on Instagram sometimes too, actually. Okay, this orange is really pretty. It's not bright, but I guess it's bright enough. I think I already used that Be Perfect palette in the Juvia so much to where I just have high expectations for everything. So yeah, so don't pay no attention to me. Okay, so I took that off and just put the colors back on. And instead of burgundy, since that's not really being my friend today, we're gonna go in with blue. Okay, and we already tried to move from the crayon case, and we already know that situation. Okay, I'm gonna go to my Be Perfect Contour palette and take the blue out of there. Okay. Alright, I don't know if my eyes are dry today or what. And I want to kind of keep the blue just like right here. I really don't want to bring it all the way over. I don't know how this will work out, but we'll figure it out. I don't know what's going on with my colors today. Once I get to my crease, like I don't see. Like did I just yeah. I guess I'm just having one of those days with makeup. That's all I can say. Because my colors are not showing up in my crease, and I don't know why. Okay, so for my lid, we're going to do some glitter. Like, I haven't did a glitter look in a minute. I don't know why, I just haven't. But about to get back to it, okay? About to get back to it, right? So I'm taking a Touch of Fancy Cosmetics glitter. I don't know the name of it, so I just know that it's blue, okay? Okay, and I'm going to use the NYX Mixing Medium as adhesive. Okay, that's cute. And I did mix a little bit of the Jaileroo pigment and white gold in with the glitter to give it a little bit more shine. Ooh, this been a long makeup day. I'm finally done. All I gotta do is put my lashes on. Like, this did not supposed to happen today. You know, I was supposed to sit down. It's Friday. Have a smooth little tutorial. Oh, no, that didn't want to happen today. And I don't know why the pink and orange is showing up under my eye. I don't know. Okay, now we cute. Let's put some lashes on so I can look like somebody. Okay, so I did my highlighter, and you already know that Juvia's Place Nefertiti, the only one I wear. And I went and took some of the glitter and put it under my eye on the outer corners instead of doing the inner corner. Yeah. And I don't know what I'm about to do to my lips. So I'm thinking about adding like a jam session with my makeup. I don't know how I'm gonna do that without getting copyrighted, but it'll be like me doing my makeup and listening to old music. That's basically what it'll be, because I love music. I listen to it all day. Okay, so it'll be like a playlist makeup. I think that'd be real cute. It's something fun besides me just sitting here doing makeup. I'm really getting bored of it. I know other people are too. Like, I have a YouTube channel and I barely watch other people's videos. Like, I find myself watching more like reaction videos, like music videos and albums and stuff like that, more than I do actual makeup tutorials. So yeah, I'm just thinking of adding something different to my channel. I don't know. And maybe start vlogging, maybe like once out the week, like a day of me or something like that. I don't know. Okay, I guess that'll do. And this is the NYX Duo Chromatic lipstick in Booming. It's lip gloss actually. And of course, I gotta put the Colourpop Finesse over it. Why? I don't know what my obsession is with this. I don't know. Maybe because it's just clear and it's glittery and it goes with everything. I need to get another one. I want to try the Fenty one. I think Makeup Revolution has one too.